This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've done the minimal prep. iOS current and location services on. Now open Apple Maps and search a city known for 3D imagery. Once the map loads, pinch to zoom closer to the area you want. Next, place 2 fingers on the screen and swipe up to tilt into 3D perspective, or tap the 3D/tilt control when available. This switches the flat map into a 3-dimensional view so you can inspect building shapes and terrain. Once you're in 3D, refine your view by rotating with a 2-finger twist. That changes the camera heading so you see the side of buildings. Pinch to move closer or farther, think of altitude, lower for detail, higher for context. Make sure to tap the compass icon to snap orientation or recalibrate if the view feels off. If available, switch to look around or start a flyover tour for street-level or automated 3D walkthroughs to explore landmarks effortlessly. To finish, pinch back or tap the 2D/zoom control to return to the flat map. If you can't enter 3D, make sure location services and cellular/Wi-Fi are enabled, then force close and reopen maps. Once done, check for an iOS update. If problems persist, reboot your device and confirm the region supports 3D or flyover. Those features aren't everywhere. The key troubleshooting tip: restart maps after toggling locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.